Come on.
Just
Yes,
like
nothing
our
complicated.
life,
Please
our
listen to me.
mobiles may bring us annoying moments
Without phone,
and
there is no
disorders
navigation, it
sometimes.
cannot work. Do you feel me? After the initial inspection, your phone is working properly now. How about you leave your phone here?
Apparently, for
No,
this
no, I
customer,
cannot leave
the
my phone
mobile
here.
is the
I'm sorry.
most
I need my
essential
phone.
tool
I'm
and
Uber
partner
driver.
to
I need
make a
it.
living.
I got an idea.
I have taken the same backup model at the service center, turned on the GPS on both devices, kept testing until the GPS problems coming out again.
I'm sorry. Maybe I just need to
It's
take
okay,
my-
it's okay. I can understand. Maybe next time you must be exhausted today. And next time I will call you if the problem comes again.
In less than 1 hour, I finally found out what exactly the problem was.
This phone case, when you drive, yes, what happened? I might know the problem. Your metal case would block the signal of your phone, causing the signal loss.
Small case caused this huge problem.
Everyone has his or her own journey, and for me, my journey is to find the right way to solve problems for every user.
1040 met some grumpy customer again today. Another hard-working day. Let me guess, a guy with a metal phone case.